Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a contact form in Elementor. So let me add a page first where I will add a contact form. To do so, hover onto pages and click on add new. Let me give this page a title. I am selecting the Elementor full width template from here. Once done, click on the publish button. To add a contact form to this page, let's click on the edit with Elementor button here. Here, from the various widgets, we need to search for forms. Simply drag and drop this form widget in the builder area wherever you need it. You can see a simple contact form with necessary fields has been added here. To add margin or spacing, you need to click on this section settings here. And here under the advanced tab, you can set the margin like this. To customize the font, click on this pen icon. Here, you can add more fields to your contact form. You can set up where your submission goes and various other things. You can edit the email, subject, and messages per your requirement. All these settings here are self-explanatory. You can play with these and customize the form according to your requirement. Under the Style tab, you can make various changes like adjusting the column gap, adjusting the rows gap, etc. Under the Field tab, you can edit the font, color of the text, background color of the fields. It's all up to you. You can customize the button as well under the Buttons tabs. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Update button. And this was all about how you can add a basic contact form to the Elementor. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer, and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.